In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a countdown command with Nightbot. My name is Tree and I make extremely support videos. Swim smarter, not harder. Before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Link is underneath in the description. So what is a countdown command? So for example, you want to show when your birthday is. For me, 17th of November. And we want to count down until the moment it's my birthday. We can make a countdown command for my birthday. Obviously, you can do this with any event you want. It doesn't matter which date it is, it will count down to this date. So to get this to work, we need to go to nightbot.tv. Log in with your Twitch. Make sure that you press join button here at the top right. And it says we need to type /mod Nightbot in our chat. So we copy this or we just type it in our Twitch chat. Click on chat, go here and paste it. Nightbot was already a moderator for me. It doesn't matter if you do it twice, but don't forget to do it. Go back to Nightbot dashboard, click this away, and go to commands, custom. Add a command here. For me, I'm gonna make a birthday command, which counts down to my birthday. You can make it anything you want. So for me, I'm gonna do !b-day as the command, as it stands for birthday. And then for the message, we need to have this countdown timer, right? So let's say you want this amount of time to Tree's birthday. So we have the message that we want now, and we want to add the time and everything, the countdown itself before this, right? So what we need to do to get the countdown is know which date we want. For me, 17th of November 2021, because then it's gonna be my birthday. So what we want to do is make a $, open bracket, and type countdown. For me, it will be November 17, 2021. I want it to be right at midnight, so I'm gonna do 12:00:00 AM Central European Time, close bracket. We get the user level. For me, I want everybody to be able to check it, so I'll leave this on everyone. Cooldown, I will recommend you do a little bit of a cooldown. It doesn't have to be precise, but so that people can't spam it. Alias, we just leave that P because we don't want a second version of this command, and we're gonna submit it. Now we can go to our Twitch chat and type !b-day, or for you, something else, depending on what you set to be the command. It says 9 months, 30 days, 3 hours, 44 minutes, and 53 seconds to Tree's birthday. This is how much time until my birthday is gonna happen. Sadly enough, you can change the language as it will say minutes, days, and everything in English, but you can change everything around it. So to Tree's birthday can be anything. Maybe you make a countdown to Christmas or just an event stream you're gonna do. If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That will help me a ton, as only 9% of you are subscribed to my channel. I get so many videos about Nightbot, so let's jump into this playlist all about Nightbot. See you there.